Hello, Professor. My name is Mohamed Yunus, and this is our final project about Physics 2. So, the first thing we do is that we took a piece of wood and we made two holes on the ends. Then we took a vise and we put it in the walls to see if they are big enough to let the metal wire pass.
Hello, I'm Adnan Dami and I am the second member of the project. So we're gonna take the same piece of wood as the next step and then we're gonna cut it in a triangular way. And then the next step will be to stick the nail to the piece of wood.
Then, after that, my friend cut the piece of wood. We glued the vise with the end of the wooden cut part, like shown in the video. Then we put two holes on the platform so we can stick our two metallical rod. We stick the first metallical rod and we fixed it by a vise. Then we took another metal bar that we folded as shown in the video, and we took some plastic cylindric so that the bar can stay fixed and not move along when it will going to be moving. Then we brought our piece of wood into the bar and we fixed it with the cylindrical fixer, and finally we closed our circuit and did the same thing as we did before in the first part.